Hello everyone, this video introduces the ASCII 3D to feature class function in the vector conversion tool. This function can import 3D features from one or more ASCII files stored in XYZ, XYZI, or generate format into a new feature class. To use this function, navigate to the toolbox under Data Management, and find the ASCII 3D to feature class tool. Double-click to open the function window. Specify the ASCII 3D data to be converted into a feature class. This data can be ASCII files or folders containing XYZ, XYZI, with LiDAR intensity, or 3D generate format data. Note, all input files must have the same file format and geometry type. Set the file format based on the data in the input files. For detailed explanations of the file formats, please refer to the help documentation. Set the geometry type for the output feature class. The Z factor is optional. This value is typically used to convert Z linear units to match X, Y linear units. The default value is 1, meaning the elevation values remain unchanged. The coordinate system is optional. You can choose whether to set a coordinate system based on your needs. By default, no coordinate system is set. The suffix of the files to be imported from the input folder. This parameter is required if a folder is specified as input. All files with the same extension as the specified suffix will be processed. Here, we fill in the suffix txt. The decimal separator is the character used in the text file to separate the integer part of a number from its fractional part. Finally, set the storage location and name for the output feature class. The Add Result to Project option is only effective when the output feature class result is output to the GPKG database where the project is located. When checked, it will automatically build a layer for the result data and add it to the project. After completing the settings, click OK to proceed. The conversion of 3D ASCII files to a feature class will be successful. That's all for the introduction to the ASCII 3D to feature class function. Thank you for watching.